watching Techy Roque, and this is the another tutorial video of these apps. As you can see, all these are good and all good enough. So for this, just download it from the Play Store. Our first app. Here are the all the apps, and there's so many functions you can't find, and you can't use every function at your own. That's the best app I'd ever seen. This is the 360 toolkit, and as you can see, these are the options. These are some basic simple tools that you need it, and you must need it, like notepad and translator. There also a dictionary, and there also an exercise you can try, and I think that's a video and audio cutter and recorder, flashlight and mirror amplifier also, and board scan. Cleaner, battery saver, stopwatch and checklist. And here is the section of the calculation and conversion tools, and the navigation and measure tools like current, compass and altimeter, and the internet speed light. And it uses all the sensors of your device and work frequently. And here is the sound meter. It will show the sounds like average on quiet office and a street and everything, a library. And that's the quiet library. And it has a ruler, a virtual ruler, not the exactly. And pedometer, vibrometer, speedometer, everything it has. And now what second is that's this calculator. So I'm talking about the all-in-one calculator. And here's the update is come. And if you can see, it has, so just open it and see, it has all the calculator you can't find at the number generator. Here the geometry section, unit converter section like angle, area and data transfer speed. It will show all the speed like in the bit or a byte. It is the bit to the terabyte. And this is a digital storage section. You can find anything from bit to the web bit. And here's the another section. This all you need to try. And here's the favorite text. I have ordered this. And here's also a search like time. Okay, and another is smart tool. It has also the function like 360 tools, but it has some extra features from the, and some features are same to the 360 tools. And here's all the smart tools: a ruler, lever, the light. Okay, if you have a sensor, then only it can work. Okay, I can't use it. And this is a scanner, and here's the top visual, night vision also enough. And the another is all tools. It's like all-in-one tools. And this is the extraordinary function from the other tools like walkie-talkie. If your friend has this app the same, then you can use like this, like create a group and join a group. You can use at your own. And here's the music group, and here's the CCTV option. And here's the option of Wi-Fi calls and the controller. Wi-Fi controller, it's the ambient motion camera is also here. And metal detector, that I am not the specific sensor for this function, so it is saying not supported. And here's the sound generator, and here's the barcode scanner also a Q. Okay, here's the projector. How's about the metal detector? I don't know how it works. So the best feature is of this Wi-Fi calls, music group, and the walkie-talkie. Fifth is fingerprint cache, like fingerprint control, and this is the get I installed. And now as you can see how many options are there. This needed Android 6.0 plus and also 6.0, and these are the options, but screenshot as the root. Okay, you can set at your own by single tap, double tap, and fast tap. If you have a fingerprint cache, then only you can use it. So thanks for watching.